How are you guys doing? I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I figured why not do a first impression. I ordered this recently because I kept seeing ads targeted at me everywhere, and this is the insert name here, XL Curls, and it's supposed to give you like bigger beachy waves than the traditional more spiral waves because the wand is oval shaped. I don't know if you can see that, so it's flatter here. So let's try it, and it also comes with a heat protectant glove. I'm excited to try this. All right, so I have this plugged in. Gonna turn it on, and I'm just gonna put it at 390. I'm gonna let that heat up. So it's blinking right now. I think it'll stop blinking when it gets to the desired heat. My desk is a mess, but I got this little heat pad from Amazon to put all my hot tools on when I'm using them. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to brush my hair. So how's everyone doing? It's spring, right? But are you guys preparing for summer? I've been trying to lose a few pounds. So I've been walking a lot on my walking pad, a walking treadmill that I have under my desk at work. And I've been doing I goal myself at 2 to 5 miles a day when I'm at work, so 5 days a week, or 5 to 10,000 steps. But honestly, I try to, either 10,000 steps or 4 miles. And it's been going well. I've been doing it for a week, like a week now, and already lost like 2.5 pounds. Just in addition to all the other things I do. And if you guys didn't know, I train circus disciplines like aerial, lyra, the hoop, aerial hoop, and acrobatics. And I also I'm training wushu right now for a role, just to have more martial arts background. So yeah, for acting. I don't really do a lot of sectioning, so I just go from the back and then I move to the front. I'm not really going to use this because I normally don't use a glove. But if I feel the need to, then I will throw that on. I'm just gonna grab, I want it pretty like big chunks anyway, because I want it to be pretty subtle, the curls, and just big and wavy. So I'm gonna grab about that much, and it has now stopped blinking. It is at 390 degrees. And now I'm just going to wrap my hair around this oval barrel. I usually hold for about 10 seconds. Let's see. What do we think here? It's kind of hard to see. Well, I'm gonna let that cool before I touch it. So let me do the rest of my head. So I just finished this side. I did not do this side yet. What do you think? I didn't even run my fingers through it or anything yet. I really like it. I'm gonna finish the other side now. Alright, I just ran out of memory on my SD card, and that was a whole ordeal. So now I just finished both sides. I didn't run my fingers through it, so I'm gonna run it through it now. What do you guys think? I really like how big the waves are, and I am gonna do some on the top just to give a little bit more volume. And some here. And that's and I'm gonna do my bangs right here too. And this piece right here. Alright, that added a lot more volume on top. Alright, so this is what it looks like just with my fingers brushed through. And I will just actually brush it and see if that makes any difference. So, I like it. I am happy with my purchase. Let me know what you guys think down below. And there are coupon codes like everywhere. I think I found one for 30% off. If I remember what it is, I'll make sure to leave it down below. And this is not sponsored at all. They do not know who I am. And yeah, that's it. As always, thank you for watching, and always spread love and kindness like confetti. I love you.